Welcome to a demonstration of the Accommodation Guru program. Accommodation Guru websites are available in a range of colours, but we will do this demonstration using a green website. Firstly, let's begin by going through the front end of the website and content management system. In this case, we have the top menu, About Us, Contact Us, List Your Property, Suppliers Login, etc. We also have the left-hand menu. There are sub-menus as well. All these items may be resorted, deleted, added to, whatever you like. All very easy to use in the content management system. Next, let's discuss accommodation searches in the program. Firstly, we have Property Search. This allows you, if you know the name of the property, to search for it directly. Assuming we're not sure of the name and we are just looking for something generally in the Barossa Valley area, we choose Barossa Lyndoch. You can filter the search a bit more by adding in the number of adults, children, the check-in date, or the number of nights. But we will just go Search. This brings back a page of results. You may filter this search a little more, if you wish, by choosing the number of nights, property type and minimum star rating. You may also add some additional amenities that you might wish to search on. A new functionality is the Map view. This will display all the properties on a map and pinpoint them. You can search on a hybrid or satellite photo. If you know the area you are wishing to stay in, click on the property and it will bring up the property image as well as a More Info option. Let's now discuss the results display page. Generally speaking, we have a view that you lose 50% of your audience every time somebody has to click somewhere. For this reason, we try to give as much information on the initial search page as possible, saving time and frustration when choosing accommodation. Choices can be made off the first results page. A picture says 1,000 words. Just hover over the property images. We also display all room types, not just the cheapest. In this display, we have $175 as the normal rate, $160 as the last minute rate, and there is a last minute period of say 7 days. This is pre-configurable. Hovering on the particular item displays the inclusions in that particular night's stay. Also available are package specials. In this case we have a midweek special. Let's assume we're interested in Shiraz Cottage. Click on Next. This displays the full availability and allows you to book on a per night basis. I will explain the difference between green and orange later in the demo. Moving down this particular page, firstly let's explain some of the features. We have the rates, cancellation conditions, send to a friend option, address, description of the property and a slideshow, location, facilities, room descriptions, check-in and check-out times, children and extra guest policy, parking, getting there, and a map of the property location, as well as how to get to the property if you're unsure. To illustrate how this works, let's assume we will be driving up from Adelaide. We type in Adelaide, click on Go, and this brings up a display of the directions on how to get to the property. We also have Web 2.0 content at the bottom of the screen, that is, user-generated content. We automatically send an email to a guest 7 days after they have completed their stay, inviting them to review the property. This is similar to TripAdvisor. Besides being objective and useful for potential guests, search engines love this sort of content. Back to the top of the screen. Now is a good opportunity to explain the difference between green and orange. Green is available to book immediately and orange is booking on request. Booking on request allows the property 24 hours to respond. That said, no one seems to be able to wait 24 hours anymore, so we will also send an SMS at the same time to the property owner. Should the owner be away from their property, no problem, they can just SMS a reply yes or no using their mobile. The booking and credit card is then processed immediately with an SMS confirmation or decline sent to the guest at the same time. To demonstrate this, let's assume we're interested in booking 2 nights at the Shiraz cottage. We go Next. We will choose the nights of the 20th and 21st of April and click on Book Now or Request. This takes us to a page that confirms what we have requested. So we have requested a 3-bedroom stone cottage for 2 nights. You can add children as well, and the room configurator computes the total cost. Next, complete the form, add credit card details and submit. Email confirmations and SMSs are then sent off to the property, the guest and the website administrator. This completes our introduction to the Accommodation Guru program. Please contact Dave Upton with any queries.